call my ultimate monster to the field! My Blue Eyes White Dragon!
Hey guys, what's up? Mystery Bax here. Back after a long time. Just got back from my travels.
Yay!
2.5 months to be precise, and I had some cool stuff waiting for me. And I thought, you know what, I'm knackered. I've been awake for over 24 hours, but I'm going to get the first video up, edited and recorded for you guys. So yeah, anyway, I thought the first video, let's go with a bang. Let's try and smash out this Blue Eyes White Dragon. And imagine if we can pull it now. Imagine if we can get it now. I'm just trying to work out how to open this blasted pet out of here. There we go, baby. Anyway, imagine.
Oh, well done.
The scenes if we can pull this bad boy now. I managed to grab this for pretty cheap, but yeah, I've got some more Pokemon pack stuff can open up for you. We've got a few days and yeah, so on and so forth. So keep eyes for that. Comment down below if you've missed the videos, and if not, oh well, shit happens. Only joking. Right, first off, let's go with the Mammoth Graveyard. A mammoth that protects the grave of its pack and is absolutely merciless in facing grave robbers. When facing Monster Egg, a warrior hidden within an egg that attacks enemies by flinging eggshells. I imagine it sounding something similar to that. Typhone, capable of firing cannonballs from its mouth for long-range attacks. This creature is particularly effective in mountain battles, baby. Masaki, the legendary swordsman. He's a bad man. Legendary swordsmaster Masaki is a veteran of over 1,000 battles. Holy. Ah, Spirit of the Harp. Fairy. Oh, I've never been so depressed in my life. Remove Trap. I'm not as excited now to read them. Dissolve Rock, a monster born in the lava pits. Dark Energy, you know, Fiend Reflection 2. One of the worst ones you could get, really, isn't it? Spirit of the Harp. Oh well. And it's a lob. Yeah, anyway. That's just a short... Oh, shit, I didn't mean to yet. It's just a quick video to say I'm back. And I will be trying to post as much as I can in the coming days. So, I'll grab this up for tonight. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and comment down below if I sound tired or anything. And if you missed your boy. And anyway, I'm just jabbering on now just because I can. I'll see you later. Bye.
Goodbye from Mystery Packs.
Yeah.